Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of This Versus That. Today I got me a, can you see this? Yeah. So this is the Sigma 30mm f1.4. Oh my gosh. Very popular lens for APS-C cameras. If you have like any Sony alpha cameras that is APS-C, meaning 6000, 6300, 64, 65, 66, that kind of stuff, this is for you guys. Here's the thing. Sigma on Sony it's incredible. They do a fantastic job on here. These are about the same quality as Sony quality right here. The focusing system is good. I have a 16mm that I have been using for years and years. This thing right here is the 30mm version of it, and I've been testing this thing out for the past few days, and I have to say it feels like my 16mm but at a 30mm focal. Yes, I really love this thing. It's been incredible. I've been taking a lot of footage from it, video footage. So let me just show you guys what that looks like. So there you have it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I really love this thing. It's this focal length is a really good focal length for APS-C camera, because at 30mm it's cropping in, so you're getting more like a 50mm, well, under 50mm from this focal length, which is a good focal length on a full frame camera. So I would say this is one to get right here. If you already have the Sigma 16mm, I would totally recommend you getting this 30mm. This is kind of like the next step up. 16mm is going to give you that wide look. This right here is going to be more portrait, things that where you punch in. It's going to give you that great foreground and background bokeh, just like the footage that I'm showing you here. So yeah, totally recommend this lens. I hope you guys grab one of these. And that's it for me, guys. I'm out here. I'm going to go shoot some more with this thing. Have a good one. Bye-bye.